Hi, I'm Rob Hobson, registered nutritionist. I want to show you how to get a little bit more vitamin D into your diet by showing you how to cook a fish pie, which is made with salmon. I've just been boiling our sweet potato and our new potato. It's been going for about 15 minutes. We're just going to drain those over in the sink. Now just going to add a little drop of milk, not too much. And then we're just going to mash those up until they're nice and soft. You need a bit of welly here. It's quite nice just to add in a little bit of nutmeg. It works really well with the sweet potatoes. Just give it one last mash. Okay, that's now ready to go on top of our fish pie. So now we're going to make the sauce for our fish pie. So to start with, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. We're just going to add a little bit of milk to try and get the sauce moving. You just want to form a thick paste here, and then you can add the rest of the milk. And you want to heat that for about 3 minutes. You should see it start to thicken. And you want to just keep stirring that gently. 2 or 3 minutes, you can see how our sauce has started to thicken. So the next thing to do is add your fish. Add in 2 large salmon fillets. I've also got some prawns. It's about 150 grams of prawns. Just going to give that a quick stir. It doesn't need to cook in the pan because it will cook in the pie when it's put in the oven. Next, I'm going to add some spring onions. So this is 2 spring onions that I've chopped up. And some spinach as well, just a handful of spinach. So we'll just give that a bit of a stir. I'm also going to add a little bit of parsley, just a small handful. Quick squeeze of lemon juice, so I'm using half a small lemon. And add some salt and pepper. Stir that around for about another minute, just so it starts to thicken a little bit more. We're just going to add in 100 grams of creme fraiche. This will get a bit of a creamy texture. Stir that through. Then we're just going to transfer this over to our pie dish. So I've got an oven-proof pie dish. The oven's set at 180. Pour this mixture into our dish. Just spread that out evenly. And then we're ready to top it with a potato. So we've got our potato here, sweet potato and white potato that we mashed. And I'm just going to place this on top of our pie. Just spread that out evenly. You don't need a thick layer, just nice and thin across the top. Great. So this is our finished pie. We're now going to pop it in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes so the top's browned and the fish is cooked. So that's our pie done. It's been in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. This is a really great way to get some vitamin D into your diet by including some salmon.